So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Ecology and Society, week third, assignment third. So, now the first question is which of the following is a global warming indicator? So, these are the option and the answer of first question is C, an increase in the average temperature of the earth's surface. Now, the second question is in what stage of society is the shift from manual labor to the use of technology and machines for production observed? So these are the option agriculture, foraging, industrial, pastoral. So the answer of second question is the industrial. Now the third question is the book essay on population was written by which of the following? So let's check the answer of third. So Adam Smith, Charles Darwin, Karl Marx, Thomas R. Malthus. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of third question. So the answer of third question, Thomas R. Malthus work essay on population. So the answer of third question is D, Thomas R. Malthus. Now the fourth question is Malthus' idea helped to form the ecological basis for Darwin's theory of dash. So these are the option natural selection, neutral mutation, punctuated equilibrium sequence hypothesis. So let's check the answer of fourth question. So the answer of fourth question is Malthus' ideas helped to form the ecological basis for Darwin's theory of natural selection. So the answer of fourth question is A, natural selection. Now the fifth question is who authored The Origin of Species? So these are the options Adam Smith, Charles Darwin, Jean Baptiste Lamreich, Thomas R. Malthus. So the answer of so let's check the answer of fifth question. So the answer of fifth question in The Origin of Species 1859, Charles Darwin presented a synthetic theory of evolution based on the idea. So the answer of fifth question is B, Charles Darwin. Now the sixth question is which of the following best describes Moran's investigation into the soil of the Amazon. So these are the option macro level ecosystem analysis, micro level ecosystem analysis, meso level ecosystem analysis, macro and micro level analysis. So let's check the answer of sixth question. So Moran's study of soil in the Amazon is an example of micro-level ecosystem analysis. So the answer of sixth question is B, micro-level ecosystem analysis. Now the seventh question is which period of human history is the invention of the plow and the use of animals as food producers visible? So these are the option agricultural, foraging, industrial, pastoral. So the answer of seventh question is A, agricultural. Now the eighth question is ecological anthropology developed by Julian Stewart attempt to dash. So these are the option and the answer of eighth question. Let's check. So the answer of eighth question, ecological anthropy attempts to provide a materialist explanation of human society and culture as product of adaptation to given environmental conditions. So the answer of eighth question is C. Now the ninth question is what do cultural differences signify? So these are the option and the answer of ninth question is A. People face different problems in different environments and with different technologies. Now the 10th question is the ecosystem model. Ethnoecology and historical ecology are just a few of the new schools of thought that have been developed by the dash. So these are the option environmental determinist, ecological anthropologist, ecological economist, environmental determinist. So the answer let's check. So the answer of 10th question, ecological anthropologist form new schools of thoughts, including the ecosystem model, ethnoecology, and historical ecology. So the answer of 10th question is B, ecological anthropologist. So let's submit your answer. So thank you friends for watching this video.